everyone, I am Nupur Hira Patil. I am an intuitive medium and a coach. I have done the ACC credit program of coaching from ILA, Indian Leadership Academy. What prompted me to do this course was I wanted to bring in the element of probing questions from my clients when I was reading the cards. Uh, the course is designed very beautifully. The concept, the detailing, the practice sessions which are paid attention to, it enhances the personality of the coach. I love the entire module. The trainers are absolutely fantastic. Most of them come from a very corporatish background and hence bring in a lot of value to the course. The suggestions, the mentorship, how easy the courses are when you get into it. If you're missing the classes, there are recordings given. Everything end to end was taken care of. Now, when I was doing this course, I actually thought that I'm going to practice coaching and tarot separately. But eventually, I realized that how I can bring in more value to tarot, and that blended in so well because my mentors guided me really good. Kaushik sir is an amazing leader. The way he can see through each candidate of his class, his mentorship sessions are very, very valuable. Now, I would recommend to do people this course, and especially from ILA, is because before coming to ILA, I did discuss a lot with other companies, and the kind of course structure ILA has is the most enhanced one and perfect if you want to give the ACC credits. If I'm recommending this course to you, the main reason is explore coaching as an art form. If not, it's not it's not always possible to practice it as a professional, but to earn that respect, that love, that belongingness to yourself, if you're looking forward to his coaching, is a fantastic job, even if you don't want to practice it professionally, for your own self. So these are my recommendations. I am in love with ILA and I'm looking forward to do more courses and add more value to my life. Thank you, ILA and the entire team.